Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon.
Good
So,
afternoon, sir.
okay, in last lecture, that is in yesterday's lecture, I have discussed regarding the structure of the nematic phases. Second point from your syllabus is structure of cholesteric phases, or the second point is that is the cholesteric phases. Now, in this context, we will going to discuss regarding the structure of cholesteric phases, how it is composed, and after completion of that structure of cholesteric phases, we are going to discuss about the various applications of the liquid crystals, including nematics, smectic, and cholesterol phases, how they are useful for the society, as well as how the research has been going on regarding the different liquid crystal. So right now I am going to discuss first point, that is cholesteric phases. Now friends, the molecule should have a long and strong attractive group. In these cholesteric phases, what happens? The long and strongly attractive groups are present. Why these types of long and strong attractive groups are present? Due to presence of these attractive groups, they have a great adhesion between the adjacent molecule, means they are having a strong force of attraction between these two molecules. This will be happens, or this will be observed in the cholesteric phases. So this cholesteric phases will be shortly be noted or denoted by the CHLCD, cholesteric liquid phases, or liquid display. It is a display which is containing a liquid crystal. Of course, they are having a helical structure and they are chiral in nature. Next point is that such type of cholesteric phases shows some color effect under the polarized light which is observable. If you fall the polarized light on these cholesteric phases, the cholesteric phases shows different types of color. This is a unique property of the cholesteric phases. Means if we want to, yes, a certain color, we will get the certain or specific color by applying or by falling the effect of polarized light on that cholesteric phases. Second, optically active molecules, the cholesteric stage has spontaneous twisting about its own axis. Continuously, the cholesteric phases are twisting around its own axis, just left, right, just like a turning clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. They are continuously twisting. And this is a somewhat unique physical property of the cholesteric phases. They are long, already I have discussed. They are strong because they are having attractive groups, and due to the presence of long and strong attractive groups, they will be promote adhesion, that is strong attractive forces is there between the adjacent molecule, between the two molecules. Now if you see the structure of cholesteric phases, in case of structure of cholesterol phases, they will be arranged in the two different layers. Just you see here, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the different layers of the cholesteric phases. Means, and there is a no positional ordering within the level. Means if you see here, this first layer having a horizontal, yes, presence of a cholesteric phases. In this case, in the second layer, there is a presence of vertical cholesteric phases. Again, there in the third phase, the cholesteric phases are somewhat turned at the right side. Again, in the fourth phase or fourth layer, the cholesteric phases are present in the horizontal way. Means there is a no specific presence of a layers of a phases which is present in the different layer. Different, each and every layer having a different positional ordering. Means there is not a definite ordering between these two, and that's why this is a very important characteristic. There is no positional ordering present in the different layer. Now second is that these cholesterol liquid crystals are also known as a chiral nematic liquid crystals. Means these nematic crystals are there, and these crystals are called as a chiral nematic crystal. Means if you decide to cut this phase, sorry, crystal, this crystal will be easily divided into two, and that's why such type of phases, that is cholesteric phases, are called as a chiral nematic liquid phases. Now these types of nematic phases has intermolecular forces between them, and due to intermolecular forces of attraction, there will be the alignment between the molecule, and there is a slight angle is formed between each and every molecule here also, and this is due to the intermolecular force of attraction. Now it is visualized that you see here, it looks like a 3D pneumatic like layer with a director in each layer. They are twisted. Just you see here, this cholesteric phases molecules are twisted at the right side. In this case, they are twisted at the left side. In this case, they are twisted at the right side. Means in each layer, each layer, the cholesteric phases has been twisted with respect to the above and below, forming a continuously helical pattern is there. This is a helical pattern is there, and in each and every layer, the 2D pneumatic like layers are twisted with respect to those above and below, forming a continuous pattern. Next is that the variation of the director axis tends to the periodicity in the nature. Next one, the period of this variation, that is distance over which a full rotation is 360 is completed, is known as a pitch. Suppose this molecules continuously rotate. Suppose here, if they rotates through a 360 degree, if one rotation is completed through this 360 degree, that particular rotating process is called as a pitch. What is pitch? This pitch will be very useful to determine the wavelength of light which is reflected by these cholesteric phases. Now we have seen that the cholesteric phases is also, or pneumatic phases shows double refraction, and in this double refraction the light is reflected from these phases. And if light is reflected from these phases, how much amount of light is reflected, what is the wavelength of that light which is reflected during the double refraction, that wavelength of the light has been calculated by using the pitch. Means that is the period of the variation when the molecule rotates into 360 degree complete rotation, that is called as a pitch. If you know the pitch, we can determine the exact wavelength of the light which is reflected. Now I am going to discuss regarding last point, that is applications of liquid crystal. Now friend, just I am reading all these material, as well as I am sharing the different pictures also. Research, there is a great research on the optical and electrical property of these unique compounds which attracted very much scientific and industrial community. For example, electromagnetic, optical characteristics and photoelectric property of pneumatic and cholesteric type of liquid crystals are very useful for the industry community as well as for the society. Now second application or second use of the liquid crystal is that when liquid crystal are applied to the surface of the skin, we have observed that it is very useful to locate vein, arteries, infections, tumors and fetal placenta which are warmer than the surrounding tissue. Means these types of liquid crystals are used in the medicinal field. And why it is used in the medicinal field? When we are applying such type of liquid crystal on the surface of the skin, they are used to locate different types of veins, different types of organs, veins like arteries, infection. They are very useful to, yes, to locate the different types of organs. Okay, next, pneumatic liquid crystals are very useful research tool in the applications of the magnetic resonance, like a nuclear magnetic resonance. Second is that this type of liquid crystal have been used in the chromatographic separation. That is 138 is a popular solvent which is used for the chromatographic separation to separate different types of organic compound. Now these liquid crystals are widely used in the cosmetic industries for the manufacturing of different types of liquid crystal, which liquid crystals are easily remove makeup removers. Many cosmetics persons are using such type of liquid crystal to remove the different makeup, lipstick and in the lip glasses which they contains the cholesteric liquid crystal. Already I have discussed with you regarding the cholesteric liquid crystal. Such type of cholesteric liquid crystals are useful, are acting as a makeup remover. They will be very popularly used on the lipstick, as well as they are using for the lip glasses containing cholesterol liquid crystals. Next point is that liquid crystals are very popularly or using extensively or in many cases in the pharmaceutical industry. I have put here in the previous slide I have put one example. Liquid crystals also displays are very common. If you see the display of the calculator, display of the digital watch, display of the televisions, such type of display is used. Display has been made up of liquid crystal. In the oscillographic system, the liquid crystals are used in the television displays. I have shown you, for example, LCD. What is LCD? Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display is there. Now this LCD is useful. In the LCD, the liquid crystals are used. LCD screens have also been developed. Cholesteric liquid crystals have also been used for the novelty items such as toys, decorative materials has been prepared by using liquid crystals. Last is that liquid crystal have various industrial application. For example, in the polymer industry, polyester liquid crystal has been developed. Which polyester liquid crystal is acting as a fire resistance, and they are rare. They are used for the coating purpose for different multi-fiber optical cables due to good surface roughness as well as low coefficient of friction. And due to such beneficial properties, we are using that liquid crystal to prepare different types of multi-fibers. And if you use this liquid crystal to prepare this multi-fiber, the property which is exhibited by the multi-fiber is good surface roughness, low coefficient of friction is the property which is obtained by the multi-fiber. So in many multi-fiber, this liquid crystal has been used to prepare that multi-fiber. Now polyester liquid crystals are used for the molding with improved elastic modules. Means different elastic modules are used to prepare elastic modules from the different types of liquid crystals, and which are having a molding property in a specific way. Now I am showing here different technological applications of the liquid crystal displays or liquid crystals. Now here, where are the liquid crystal used? The question I am putting here. Liquid crystal can be found in the different devices, just as digital watches. The screen or the display which is observed, which is in the digital watches, are made up of liquid crystal. Pocket TVs, gas pumps, parking meter, telecommunication, these are the different applications of the liquid crystal. Just you see, in this case also I have shown by different pictures applications of liquid crystalline material. Liquid crystal, they are having a various good applications. Three-dimensional videos we can prepare. Medicinal thermography. In the medicinal thermography, we have been using lenses are made up of LCs, that is liquid crystalline material. High strength fiber we can prepare. Gas liquid chromatography, in previous slide I have shared with you. Different display devices we can prepare. Different solvents which are very useful for the spectroscopic purpose. Such solvents are made up of liquid crystals. For the drug delivery, we are using best technique of liquid crystal. Now three-dimensional videos we can prepare by using the liquid crystal. Now liquid crystalline polymers are also there. Main chain polymer, side chain polymer, cross-linked polymer, network types of polymer. And these four types of polymers are very useful for high strength elastomeric property. They will be shows. They shows biofunctional property, they shows electrofunctional property, they shows photoelectric effect or photofunctional property. They are acting as a good separate, they are used for the separation purpose also. Now these applications of liquid crystals is also there. Other applications I have shown here: optical switching devices, fibers, cosmetics, special paints and colorants are also made up of different liquid crystals. Now in the technological application, I have given here a lot of list which are in which the liquid crystals used here also. You can see here also, in case of polymer chemistry, how the liquid crystal plays an important role depends upon their shape dependency. There is a spherical shaped liquid crystal, rod shaped and disc shaped liquid crystals are also there. There are amplifiers also there. And due to presence or due to existence of these molecular shape dependency, we can prepare different types of polymeric material. And these polymeric material shows different types of property, either it may be physical property or chemical property. And due to presence or existing of different types of property, such type of liquid crystals or polymeric material which is made up of liquid crystals are very useful for drug delivery, for the photonics optical network, for the gene therapy, for HPLC, that is high performance, HPP, that is high performance polymers, for ferroelectrical, pyroelectrical sensors, for artificial skin muscles, liquid crystal elastomers are obtained. For retardant films, they are used to make from the liquid crystal. Light modulants are they be prepared by the plastic crystals, or display switches are made up of this liquid crystal. Now some silent features I have shown in this picture, which is exhibited by the liquid crystal. And again, I am listed here different applications of the liquid crystal. Now, in this next slide or next picture, I have shown to you the crystals of liquid crystals here. This is smectic, neptic, and nematic, and isotropic. When we are increasing the heat, what happens? This crystal will be converted into isotropic. And just previously, I have shown you that there is a somewhat angle is observed during between these two molecules of the liquid crystal, but in some cases there is no angle is observed in the some liquid crystal, that is called as a theta. I have shown here the greater is the theta here, here smaller is the theta, here is a no theta is observed. So on heating, the intermolecular angle is observed in each and every cases of the liquid crystal, and due to formation of a such angle, molecule or liquid crystal shows different physical properties. Now, right now, we are observing that just you push a button of thermometer, what happens? We are getting the temperature of our body. Now, in this thermometer, what is there? There are liquid crystals. That liquid crystal changes the color, and this change in color due to the response of temperature change. Means if 35 is the temperature, the color is this one. 36 is their color is this one. Suppose 38 is this one, the color is this one. So if the color, sorry, temperature is 38, the color is observed during the liquid crystal is this one. And due to presence of this color which is observed in the liquid crystal, the mixtures of liquid crystals are enclosed in the separate portion, and number of portion indicates the temperature. If one of the portion of liquid crystal is this one, this will be active at particular temperature, and this particular temperature is shown on the thermometer. So this is actual functioning of the liquid crystal thermometer. Here I am showing here liquid crystal display or LCD, how it works, and how the LCD is made up of different what you can say layers, that is front polarizer, plastic substrate is there, transparent electrodes are there, protective layers are there. And in these different layers, one of the important layer is liquid crystal assignment layer. Just you see here, this is a colorful layer that is made up of liquid crystals, and due to insertion of this layer in the LCD TV, this layer is responsible for the color sensation, for the color purpose. When different images we can see in the different colors due to presence of that liquid crystal alignment. You can read this matter. Now, how LCD works, liquid crystal, LCD TV, each and you know what is meant by LCD TV, how they are useful. Now, the function of LCD is I have shown here. Initially, there is a mirror. In next portion is made up of glass, and this is a third made up of negative electrode, and this fourth is very important as a chemistry point of view. This is a made up of liquid crystal, that is D, and legs again positive electrode is there, glass is there, and finally at the front side of the viewer the displayed image. For example, television or whatever it may be, we are observing in watches or in calculators. Just for example, the front side is called as a display. On this display we are just observing number or calculation, whatever it may be. This display is, yes, attributed to only and only due to the presence of these different parameters or different parts, and among these parts important part is that is D, that is liquid crystal display. Here the optical imaging, in case of optical imaging, it plays very important role for the display purpose, that is image display is here due to the liquid crystal or applications of liquid crystal. To prepare different helmets and bulletproof vests, these liquid crystals are used. I have shown here diamine when reacted with acetyl chloride, and this diacetyl chloride reacted with diamine, there is a formation of a liquid crystal with n number of liquid crystals are formed, and such type of liquid crystals are useful to prepare different helmets and bulletproof vests, bulletproof jackets are also. Now, in this last slide, very important, you know, snails, gogalgai. In Marathi, we are saying snails, gogalgai. Now, if you check, if you observe this is a picture of snail. This is having a snail having a somewhat mucus secreted, somewhat, yes, somewhat liquid around this snail, and that is called as a mucus. And this liquid is secreted by the slugs or snails around his body, and these slugs or mucus or that particular liquid act as a liquid crystal for that snail or slug. Now this is called as a nature made liquid crystal, nature made liquid crystal. And this liquid crystal is rod shaped molecule, and this is very useful to protect that slugs and snail in the nature. And so liquid crystal can also found in the different types of biological cell membranes. One of the example I am putting to you, that is slugs and snails secretes a particular mucus, that is you can call it as a, yes, thick liquid, and that is secreted by the slugs of snails, and which material or mucus material acting as a liquid crystal, or which behaves as a liquid crystal. And this liquid crystal is rod shaped molecule which aligns in variable degrees to control the viscosity of the mucus to adapt the different ground conditions. And this is very useful to slugs and snail, because due to presence of that liquid crystal, these slugs and snails adopt different ground condition and they will be live. Now in last slide I have showing to you our scientist, thanks to the scientists that work so diligently towards understanding this phenomena, and the world will focus on the ways to make this product, that is liquid crystal, very useful in the society. Over the last century there are many applications such as detection of hot points in the microcircuits, the finding of the fractures in the fractures. It is very useful to find the tumors in the human, and conversion of infrared images have becomes very easily accessible due to understanding or due to the great research of the pitch as well as great research of the liquid crystal. Hence we hope in future a bright research or very useful research will be expected from this liquid crystal. With this applications or various applications of liquid crystal, I am stopping here. So thank you for your patience. In this way our second topic, that is liquid crystal, has been finished.